Zoleka Mandela reflects on an instance when haters were actually right. Even though Zoleka Mandela has admitted that some people were right about her eyebrows back in 2015, she still has no regrets about hitting that block button. Zoleka stumbled upon a picture of herself from 2015 and couldn't deny that her badly drawn eyebrows were an eyesore. She remembered how she took negative comments so personally. "I remember this. I totally blocked like 5 people who commented on this picture in 2015 and told me that the tails on my eyebrows were too sharp. You guys, they were so right," she said. Zoleka added that she still doesn't feel bad about sending those naysayers running for the hills. "I don't feel bad about blocking them though, it's far better than the amount of times I had to swear at them. Now I just delete your comment and block you because you're proper just being mean for no reason. Guys, but the eyebrows I drew these myself, 0 people to blame for this. LOL. If anything, at least Zoleka's able to look at herself critically.